How to change CubiCasa 3D styling options. After you finish scanning your house, go to Packages and choose the Plus 3D package. Choose optional add-ons like 3D video render, and proceed to the order options. Here are all the styling options for your 3D video renders. Now you can select the speed for your video. Slow approximately 3 minutes or fast approximately 1 minute. You can also select the layout for your render, landscape, portrait, or both. Lastly, you can select the furniture styling, replicate existing furniture in the space, use CubiCasa's default furniture set, or no furniture. Then, simply continue to place your order. Once your order is ready, download the 3D video to your phone or computer. Perfect for YouTube, social media, or your website. Check out some examples made with CubiCasa